raised gardens have their place in most people's gardening situation. The gardening that you're going to do in a raised bed is, generally speaking, a small scale. You're not ever going to be able to raise enough to feed the whole neighborhood, but you'll be able to raise top quality stuff. Also, you're not going to be able to use mechanized tillers or tools like that, and even you probably wouldn't use a whole lot of hose and stuff. But on the other hand, the soil that you're going to be building is going to have such tilth and such looseness that you can farm it with your hands. And then, like I said a while ago, you're not going to have many weeds. There's a lot of good things about a raised bed garden, but there are a few drawbacks. One of the drawbacks to a raised bed garden is that they need to be tended. There's no such thing as bottom moisture. When you have a contained bed that's in a container, there's no such thing as the wick action or the osmosis kind of action that moisture has of rising to the surface in some soils when the surface does get dry. In a raised bed garden, when it dries out, there's nothing to come from the bottom to give the roots a drink.